A lot of home buyers worry that their credit scores are too low to buy a home. The first thing to know is that you don't have to have perfect credit to buy a home. There are many choices in loan programs, and many are available for those who have less than perfect credit. Hi, this is Parker Couch with Homestar Financial, and in this video, I'm going to share what you need to know about buying a home and your credit score. The first step is to know your credit score and what loan programs you may qualify for. You can do this by meeting with a professional state licensed mortgage lender. Now, we're not talking about going onto one of those online mortgage application sites either. What we're talking about is working with a professional lender in your area, someone who can actually sit down and talk to you about your options. To give you a better understanding of what loan options are out there, let's look first at conventional loans. Conventional loans are the most common loan type. On the credit score scale, which ranges from 350 to 850, conventional loans require a credit score of at least 620. Other loan types allow for lower credit score minimums, and some mortgage programs have no credit score requirements whatsoever. But why are credit scores so important in buying a home? Great question. Credit scores help your lender determine the likelihood that you'll make timely mortgage payments. The credit score will give a baseline example of how you've done in the past paying your debt. This is why taking care of your credit is so important. So FICO, we've heard about this, and that's the model that's used to calculate your credit score. And it uses the following calculation. 1, payment history takes up 35%. 2, current credit usage, 30%. 3, length of your credit history, 15%. 4, types of credit, 10%. 5, recently opened credit lines, 10%. Now, these 5 factors provide a glimpse into your financial habits and history and help lenders assess your financial health. Home buyers with low credit scores are typically assigned a higher interest rate. So here's the big question. How do you improve your credit score? There are so many things that you can do to help improve your credit score. But first, check your credit report to learn what's comprising your score. All consumers get access to a free annual credit report at annualcreditreport.com. And if you're looking at buying a home in your future, be sure to start developing habits that will improve your credit score now. Here's some recommendations for developing those healthy habits. 1, pay your bills on time. Remember, your payment history accounts for 35% of your FICO credit score. Lower your credit usage. That's the next thing. You can increase your credit score by decreasing what you owe. So consider increasing payments on your credit cards or even asking for maybe a credit limit increase. Next, avoid new credit lines. Don't open up new credit. Opening new credit results in what is called a hard credit inquiry, and it can affect your score for the next 6 months. Next, don't close old accounts. Having those older, more established lines of credit can actually help you, so keep old credit lines open and catch up on old payments or delinquencies. Be patient if you're working to increase your credit score. It sometimes seems like it can take forever, but remember, it can take up to 6 months to make truly big changes in your credit score. So do the work, wait it out. Credit scores don't improve overnight, and keeping your debt to a minimum pays off when you're planning to buy a house. Even small credit score improvements can reduce the interest rate you get or the loan program that you qualify for. Your credit score isn't the only factor for mortgage approval. However, it's a key indicator of your financial health. Track your credit, make one-time payments, and get help to choose the loan that's right for you. And be sure to work with a state licensed mortgage professional like myself if you have questions about your credit score as well as what loan options you qualify for. Thank you so much for watching. If there's anything that I can do to help you with your home financing goals, do not hesitate to give me a call at 770-540-4936. This has been Parker Couch with Homestar Financial. Thanks so much for watching.